Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to review Capital One Platinum Credit Card. The Capital One Platinum Credit Card is aimed at people who want to build or rebuild their credit without getting slammed by annual fees. With a $0 annual fee, it's an easy option to pick for those who want the basics. A simple, reliable card that helps you improve your credit profile over time. The pre-qualification process is soft on your credit score, so there's no risk in checking if you qualify before committing. Purchase APR sits at 29.74% variable. So if you think you'll carry a balance, be careful because interest will rack up fast. This card grows with its users every 6 months. There's an automatic review to see if you can get a credit line increase, which is a relief if you're hoping to boost your spending power or improve your credit utilization. Security is strong with zero fraud liability, card lock features, and even the option for virtual card numbers to keep online shopping safe. The card allows for tap to pay and has no foreign transaction fees, so it's handy for travel or online international shopping. Managing payments is simple through autopay and personalized alerts, helping users stay on top of bills and avoid late fees. One downside is the high interest rate, which is definitely something to watch and avoid by paying the balance in full each month. There are no flashy rewards, but the real appeal is the card's focus on upgrading credit health and offering practical security and convenience features. In summary, this is a no-fuss credit builder card with solid security and support. But it's important to be aware of the high APR if there's any risk of carrying a balance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.